Welcome to the Youth Show with Professor Alex.
In this show, we talk about the various problems that Gen Z of today faces. It can be problems related to workplace, related to college placements, or related to your jobs. Be it any problem, we have got the solution. So, do watch our videos. Professor Alex, one of the most common problems that our viewers are facing, that they are not able to decide which sectors or which companies and which companies catering to which sectors are most in demand right now. So the final year students want to know that which industry should they target.
Yes, so those who are completing their course, maybe a 4-year bachelor course or a 2 years master course, so I think one of the highest, in terms of numbers, the highest recruiting number is technology sector, tech sector. After that, I think, the agricultural sector or the agro-based industry sector is also a very big recruiter. Then, the travel and tourism sector is a huge recruiter. It's a very big sector. I would say then services sector, services would mean, kind of maybe customer service, or, that also has some part of marketing, sales, management. So service sectors, that is across various industries, is a very big recruiter. And then of course the manufacturing sector is a very big recruiter. But these are across various industries. So I would say technology industry, I would say travel and tourism, hospitality industry, I would say garments and manufacturing, fashion, of course hospital, like medical is also a very big recruiter. There's always a shortage of good medical practitioners, and in all levels. It's not only doctors. There's a shortage of good nurses. There's a shortage of good, first aid or good, practitioners or helpers, medical, like dental assistants. There's a shortage. So, if these, there's always job in these sectors. But again, it depends on how good are you. So I keep telling students that keep focusing on your strengths. Build your communication ability, build your CV, build your profile by doing projects, languages, technology, and you will have no problem getting jobs.
Thank you so much, sir. This is a very common problem faced by the current youth, so I'm sure this will help.
Glad to be of help.